gentle.
You say something and then I'll copy it. Okay.
I, Lily Brown,
I, Lily Brown,
take you, my brother, Alexander, to be my best friend for my whole life. All right, Alexander, you say, I, Alexander, take you, Lily Brown, my sister, to be my best friend for my whole life.
to my best friend for my whole life.
All right.